my first YouTube video on YouTube. Okay. My name is Miracle, and today, this is my sweet 16th birthday party. I'm about to start getting ready, but my dad isn't home right now. He's like, I don't even know what he's doing. I think he wants to go see his stepmother. So I'm just gonna like get ready early, so when he comes back, we're ready to go. Cause we still haven't bought anything. No food, decorations. It's only me, my dress, and my dress and my heels, bro. I said we could go tomorrow. I said we could go yesterday. He's like, no, what? We can just do it today. And you're not even home. Okay. Well, I'm gonna start getting ready, and I'll see you when I'm done. Goodbye. Okay, guys, it's been a minute. Yeah, I'm running really late to my own birthday party. So, the problem was that my dad was supposed to take me shopping yesterday, but he suggested that we do it today. And now he's not here. He went out to go see his stepmother, and he hasn't been back. So actually, my mom had to scramble to, get me stuff from Walmart and Safeway. So we're running pretty late. Let's just hope this all goes smoothly because I put a lot of planning and time into this. And I would hate for it to all go wrong just because of a little mishap. But yeah, I'm in the car. My sister and my mom. I don't know what my mom's doing. I think my sister's like getting a cooler or something like that. Yeah. I'll see y'all when we get to the park, and then you can meet some of my friends. Bye, guys. Chat. Remember birthday? Yeah. Head of vlog.
Why is it?
It's too small.
Your camera's broken?
Yeah. I'm in my makeup chat. Anyway, head of vlog pictures. How do you feel?
Good. Very good. Alright then. I'm gonna steal you for a second.
Okay. Let's go.
No, I feel like she's a mama queen and she's like.
Okay, Tristan, why does not belong on pizza?
Pineapple on pizza? If you want your own fruit, put it in another bowl. Don't put it on my pizza. Don't put it on my pizza. Like, don't put it on my pizza.
Okay, but then at the end
Why
of the day,
you putting pineapple on your food? Why you putting pineapple on your food?
at the end of the day, I'm gonna have a cookie.
You're not gonna, that's not the
Pineapple?
right answer. That's not the right answer.
Pineapple?
That's not the right answer.
Like cranberry juice, like
That's what, look, hey, look at all the people behind me. Look at all the people behind me. It belongs.
No, it doesn't.
Thank you, Miracle. Say that again.
It doesn't belong on pizza.
Woo! Right answer. It belongs.
It does not belong
at
on
the end of the
pizza.
day, when
Everybody
everybody's
who's
real
with
nasty
me.
and smells fishy,
Shut up.
okay, but then when everybody's tukey smells like fish,
Okay.
my tukey smells like
Okay.
It's the king back in action.
Oh.
And today,
okay, bye guys.
it's the birthday girl's birthday, everybody. Everybody say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. Happy birthday, Miracle.
Thanks, Ryan. Bye. Why is chocolate ice cream overrated?
Chocolate ice cream is overrated because literally it's just disgusting. But mostly it's just like you put it with other stuff. You eat it with vanilla. I cannot eat that by itself for a long time. It's disgusting.
Alana, why is chocolate ice cream not overrated?
Because no one raves about it. It's just ice cream. Ice cream is ice cream. It's just brown color.
Is it really?
It's just brown. I never heard of it overrated. Right. Everybody's always talking like it's so good. I don't even eat chocolate ice cream. Then why are you on this side? It's not overrated though. I don't even want to rave about it. Literally, people are always.
Chat. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Tristan! Who's still talking? Okay. Okay, chat. And Nigerian jollof rice is the best. Yes, no. Yes. Yeah, yes. Nigerian jollof is the best. Yes.
Cameroonian jollof.
No, it's disgusting. You know, I can debate this myself. Nigerian jollof is the best jollof because it's literally just like so. And it's just so flavorful and like no other let's could compare. Like it's just so good. And it's packed with it's packed with spice and everything and stuff. And like.
I've had both. They're both good.
Shut up. And that's why is Cameroon. Why is it not good?
Nigerian jollof is not the best because Cameroonian jollof is the best.
Why do you say that?
Because Nigerian jollof lacks so many things. Lacks flavor. It lacks color. No.
You are the biggest liar in the entire world, bro. You know. There's no way you just said that.
Argue with me.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh, Nigerian jollof. It has the color. It's vibrant. The taste is vibrant. Yes.
It's just like one color.
Give me, bro. You're a lie. You're a lie.
It has vegetables. It has spices.
It's
so colorful. It's so flavorful. Everything that Nigerian jollof lacks.
She's not a Nigerian.
You're a liar.
You know the truth. No, it's the biggest lie.
Everybody here, let's go.
Oh, let's go. Where's my dad? Wait, see, he wouldn't even. Bro, he's not even here now. Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're a liar. Anyway, Blessing says that Cameroonian jollof is the best jollof.
No.
Daddy, come on. Blessing. Come debate with my dad. He said that Cameroonian jollof is the best jollof.
Who got Cameroon?
Yeah, nah.
Debate.
Nah.
Ghana?
Nah.
No, it's Ghana Jollof.
No, it's Nigerian jollof. Daddy, debate. Come on. Come on. Do it.
Nigerian jollof is better?
It's the best.
It's the best?
Yes.
It's not.
It is the best. You have that No. We number one, baby.
They're like all right here.
Number one. Number one.
Small bowl.
No. I try to get ice cream now, and the ice cream is closed.
She's saying that it's enough. It's no flavor, no spice, no nothing. See her. You're proud.
I'm speaking facts.
Daddy.
She's Cameroonian, right? Yes. That's why.
We all know that Nigerian jollof is the best.
No,
Hello?
it's not.
It really is. Michaela, what do you?
Everybody has pride in their jollof rice. If you ask a Nigerian, I'll tell you I'm number one. If you ask a Ghanaian will say it's number one. Cameroonian will say it's everybody will say they are number one. Kenya, he will say it's number one.
So odd. Like you're so odd. Okay, guys.
1, 2.
2, 3, blow.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Miracle. Happy birthday to you.
You got some turn.
Y'all hip hip hooray!
Hooray!
I'm only gonna take one, so okay. We are back at my house, guys. I just got back from my birthday party. Firstly, I want to say thank you to everybody who came. Sorry, the lighting is just so bad. Hey guys, I'm finally back at home from my birthday party, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who came. Like, I am so grateful. It's so nice to know that people actually love you and, you know, You surround yourself with people who love you, who care about you, who want nothing to see you happy. To everybody who couldn't come, it's okay. I still love you guys. You know, if you gave me a good excuse, if you didn't, and you know who you are, watch out. I'll do a little cute, do like a little unboxing. You know, all the gifts around me. I'm so grateful. This is crazy. Like, it's crazy. You know, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna pick random gifts. This one, ooh, pretty. Let's see. Oh, what's this? There's a gift card. Stop. Is it really? Oh my god! This is so cute. What? This is so cute. This is adorable. And what? A Milky Way. What's this? Oh, just okay. Ooh, I'm gonna show this on camera for you to try to use it for yourselves. But this is this is okay. Come out. You can come out now. How much money is it?
Check it out.
I don't even know how much money is in here. Well, I love that. Thank you to whoever that was. 'Cause I have no idea who gave me this gift. There's no card in it, so I don't know. Next one. Ooh. Good gummy clusters. I love these. My favorite candy of all time. Who gave this to me? Let's find out. Oh. Oh my god! My Shayla! My Shayla Jayla! Oh my god! She's gonna be graduating on Tuesday. She's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, she gave me a picture. My Shayla Jayla. That is so sweet of her. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Give you a picture of yourself?
Because she's graduating, she's a senior. I'm putting this on my wall. I don't care. This is so sweet of her. I love her. This is a lot. Okay. Oh, this is a big bag. I think this was blessing. Sheen. She knows how much Sheen means. We love that. Oh, wait, birthday? Ooh. Oh no, it's a sweater. Oh. Oh. I can make this work. I can make anything work, to be honest. How is this gonna fit me though? It's okay.
I can take it.
No. Thanks, blessing. Well, I think so, sir. I'm not very sure, but I think so. She had the big bag. That's some stupid. Ooh. This is cute too. Oh, knitted sweaters. They're in. Thank you, blessing. Oh, it's whoever this was. And if I got it wrong, I'm so sorry.
Can you send your love to your friends?
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. My first YouTube video. This was Alana. Oh yeah. I love my queen Alana. She's the best. Let's see what's in here. Happy birthday to me. Why did she write get a job in here? Okay, she censored it. Like what? She's so cute. Thank you, Queen Alana. Which one? This. Wow, it was color changing. Wow, this is so nice. This is gorgeous. What did the color change to? Water? Ooh, this is beautiful. There's a lot more in here too. Oh, it's like you just like put it with powder. Oh, I put it in my bathroom trash can. Oh, orchid. Smell it through here. It smells really good. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Emily in Paris. Lavender roots. Ooh. This is nice. Is there a card in here? I don't know who this was. Thank you. Whoever this was. Crap. Okay, this is this one. This is a nice bag. It's like nice fabric. I mean, not fabric. This is like not like a regular plastic bag. It's like a. This has been expensive. Woo! Sweetest song, body clean. Oh, I love that the lyrics. They got me the entire set. Are you kidding? Are you kidding me, bro? Deadass. This is so sweet. That smells amazing. I'm dead. Thank you to whoever this was. There's no card in it again. You know about the Mario Works thing. Woo! Shower badge. Kit Kat. This is Michaela. This is from Michaela. I told her yesterday that I loved Kit Kat. Only I told her. This is a candle. Oh my god, my Shayla. It's like a lot of like circles on it. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Wow. Yeah, I have no idea how much I love my friends. Trust me, with that other birthday's coming out, I'm about to go all out. Say for her. Woo! Strong start. Hi, Shayla. She's so sweet, chat. Oh, I love her. She's my queen. I don't play about her. Oh, I think my phone's about to die, actually. I should hurry up. Okay. Ooh, stick. Oh, wait, no. What's in here? Woo! OMG, chat. Lip gloss. If you know me, you know the gloss is my entire thing. I love this lip gloss. Broadway. Ooh, this is like a chocolate color. Ooh. This is a brace. Oh my god, this is like beautiful. Whoa. Just rip it open. Come here. Oh, wow. It's a bear? Wow. You see that? It's on right now. Are you kidding? Oh, it's a candle. 1,000 wishes. And the top came off. I'm dead. 1,000 wishes. This is actually, fun fact, this is actually the first perfume I got, like, of this scent from Bath & Body Works. Wow, who was this? I think this was. I have no idea, actually. See, how do you stop putting your cards in the thing? Thank you. Ooh, Matt. Oh, this is from my Queen Chitty. Y'all, I'm dead. It's a jar. Oh, why is it peeling? Oh my god, it's peeling. It's broken. Oh no, god. I already broke it. Oh my god, Chidi, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. But I should make you a strawberry. I love strawberries. It's my favorite fruit ever. Chidi, I love you. Should make me a whole card too. Ooh, this one's big. That's not thick. I don't know why it's ripping, you know, things apart. It's looking like totally amazing. This is from Geneva? Oh wait, I put a random card in here. Yes, mommy? Yes, mommy? It's my icon. My best friend. In the whole entire world. But I think it's a random. Yeah. Anyway, thank you, Chidi and Geneva. I'll probably get you. Yes, mommy. Okay, I'm coming. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, sorry, time. My mom was calling me. Okay. Let's just do this. Ooh, it's a lot in here. Ooh, scrunchies. I used to be obsessed with scrunchies. I still kind of am, but like I don't get them as much. But I still love scrunchies anyway. They're gonna be clusters. What was this? Ooh, an eyelash curler. I actually don't use eyelash curlers. Because every time I try to do it, it like pinches my eyelid and it hurts so bad. Ooh. We'll see. A lanyard. I've been needing a new one, low key. It's cute. It's like flowers on it. And oh, there's 2 cards, but I probably put one in here on accident. There's actually 3. One sticker. It's a miracle. It could be one of these gifts. I have no idea. And extra gum. Is it watermelon? We love that. I have no idea who this was from, but I'm gonna guess. It's either from one of these 3 people. I'm gonna open it. This is from Jessica. A puppy. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love cards. Hello? Oh, miracle. This is definitely from Ryan. Oh, wow. Woo! Another gift card. $25. Oh, we love that. 16 years loved. What? Hold on to it. Aw. Thanks, Ryan. He's so sweet. That's my brother in Christ, y'all. This is weird. Oh my god, look at the design. It is so cute. I wonder who's here. Sky! Oh my god, my baby. It's my queen. Anyway, I think the gift was from Jessica. Because she knows what type of candy I like. Anyway, thanks to everybody. There's all these cards. This is so sweet of y'all. So beautiful. Thank you. Yes, mommy! In her room! What they call my sister. Ooh, pink. Oh, I saw this. This is so cute. And I love like flowers and stuff. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I love it. Thank you so much, Trevor. This was. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I should probably hurry up. My phone's probably gonna die soon, chat. So. Love fuzzy chips. Oh, this was from Cat, I think. This is an eyeliner stick. I definitely said lip liner. Okay, actually, lip eyeliner is actually a really good lip liner. Tip: if you don't have lip liner, use an eyeliner. It works just the same. Honestly, it might be a little better. Thanks. Yes, amazing. To my sister. I'm gonna eat good. Oh, yes, this was from Jayla too. My Shayla. She must be so well. Okay. Heck. I can't even. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Oh. Y'all know me, fake flowers. Oh, so pretty. Doggies, wake up. What is in here? Hello? Whoa, that's a lot of things. What's this? It's like a mystery. Oh, it's cotton candy. Shower head. Oh, okay. Very good. Facial cleansing pads. Oh, warheads. Oh, I love sour candy. Who's this for? What's that thing? Who are you? Treat me. Oh, bath salt. I've never used that before. Let's see. What's this? Is that a kitchen? Ah! Oh, this is the cutest thing. I need more keychains, honestly. I should start collecting. The little star. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing. Let's see what gave me this wonderful, amazing gift. None of my is dripping, you know, paper like that. What was that? Happy day, happy year. What's this? There's no name in it. Stay anonymous, I guess. Oh, thank you so much. Sorry what that was. What the frick? Oh, it's like a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my god, Hello Kitty collectible. She's an apple. You can get a strawberry too. I'm dead. A surprise box? Should I open it on camera right now? Right now? Okay. Let's open it. I really hope I get either my melody or I'm looking with chocolate pie and cinnamon roll. Sorry guys, my phone died. Yeah, back to the unboxing thing. I hope it's not ready. Oh wait, this is not even it. Where is it? Oh. Okay. My melody. Can y'all see? Feels like, oh yeah. Ah! Oh, she's so cute. I love her. She's my icon. I aspire to be like her. More nerd gummy clusters. Oh, perfume. Oh. I've never seen this one before. Scent Solar Flare. Vanilla Plum Nectar. Hair and body focus mist. Oh, this is like, oh, whoa, wait. Oh, this is a bee? My Shayla. Are you kidding me? Are you actually freaking kidding me? It's a pig in a bee costume. Are you serious right now? I'm deceased. More Sour Patch. Is that it? There's no card in here? Oh. Wow, who gave me these absolute goodies, bro? Thank you so much. Let's open her as well. Ah. Oh no, she fell. Oh no. squishy. Ooh, 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 ooh. I need this. She's squishy. Are you kidding me? I can take it. I'm gonna take it out of the costume. Okay, bet. There's another costume in here. Surprise gift. Watermelon! Oh my god, this is like the cutest thing ever. Yo, who got me this? Bro, thank you so much. Oh, I love my friends. Y'all don't even understand. Let's see this one. Yo, what? A whole purse. Yo. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I don't even like wear bags like that, but I might wear this one. Are you kidding? Who got this? Yo, thank you so much. What is this? Oh my god, for my twin. I think. Is this one Miracle? She has the same exact name as me. We used to fight. Oh my god, yes. I think so. Where's some cat? No, it's for my Shayla Miracle. Oh, I love her. Oh my god, thank you. Dark brown. I need some more lip liner. This is my icon. More bracelets. I'm dead. Look at all the charms on it. Are you kidding me? This is... Oh, wow. 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 Bye, I'm dead. Deceased. What else is in here? Oh, paper star. So cute. Ooh. Lip. Ooh, it's plumping. Oh, I love it. And the big wand. I'm gonna eat this up. Oh, Miracle, I love you so much. Wait, wait. Did she buy me that bag? Cause chat, all the cards are very... Hello? There's 2 cards in here. I have to ask who bought me all these things, bro. Because I genuinely don't know. This is for my queen, my Prez Addison. This is for an SGA together. And I won my vice president election like a few weeks ago. Let's see. My Shayla. Roll a song for your birthday, hello? $25. Oh my god, thanks, Bria. I love you. Oh, bro, I'm so rich. I don't even know what this say. Oh my god, I love indoor. What is it? Dubai chocolate? Double chocolate? Ooh. Look at my icon. Oh, more gift cards. $25. I love you, Miss Kelson. October 16th. This is a thick one too. Oh, excuse me. There's no way, bro. I left this the exact same card for somebody else. Oh my god. There's Tina. Another freaking gift card. Thanks, man. A $40 gift card for Harris Teeter. Oh, there we go. Let me keep that in here. I don't want to lose it. Is that it? Oh, one more. Ooh, and extremes. I love that candy. Skittle. On a bracelet. 2 bracelets. No card in it. Anyway, I'm dead. Wow. That way to end the video. First off, I just want to say thank you so much, everybody who came and got a gift for me. Even if you didn't get a gift, thank you so much for showing up anyway. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too. Thank you for all the gifts. Like, I've never gotten this many gifts in my life since I turned, 1. Actually, fun fact, I haven't had a birthday party since I was 1. This is my first one since I turned 1. Crazy, right? But yeah, thank you. I've never seen this many gifts for myself. This is so crazy. Thank you guys so much. I'm so blessed to have you all as my friends and stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys like my first YouTube video. Hopefully there's many more to come. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Anything. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed. God loves you, so and so do I. Bye, I love you. Mwah.